Hello my friends and welcome back to my channel. My name is Tiffany and in today's video we are doing 2026 decorating for Valentine's Day. I'm so glad you're here. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, before we get into today's video, I have to talk to you really quickly about something that's changed my laundry game. This is laundry sauce, and I'm not even exaggerating when I say that my laundry smells like perfume when I use this. I have such a love-hate relationship with laundry for sure. I feel like it's never ending, but laundry sauce makes it feel like a little everyday luxury moment. These are their laundry detergent pods and they're pre-measured, which I love. They're HE compatible and made with a powerful bioenzyme blend that actually tackles stains while keeping fabrics soft and fresh. And the scent, this is what sold me. The scent is crafted by top perfumers and honestly it lingers all day in the best way. My clothes, my linens, even my laundry room smells incredible. If you're like me and you love when scent lasts, you can also add in the in-wash scent boosters. They release fragrance continuously and they're good for all fabrics and water temperatures. And then I finish with the dryer sheets. They soften, reduce static, and they're free of all the stuff I don't want touching my family's clothes. And they smell so good. These are all in the scent Australian Sandalwood and I love it. What I really love is that laundry sauce is free of parabens, phosphates, dyes, and Prop 65 chemicals. And the packaging is all eco-friendly and made from recycled materials. It's luxury that even feels thoughtful. So if you want to elevate your laundry experience, scan the QR code here on the screen or follow the link down in my description box and use my code Charlotte Grove HO15 for 15% off your order. Trust me, this is laundry upgraded. I absolutely love it. And thank you to Laundry Sauce for sponsoring today's video. Now let's go ahead and get this laundry going. So I recognize that Valentine's Day is not one of those holidays that we, go all out for sure. But I do feel like over the last couple of years, it's definitely gotten a little bit more popular to decorate for. I definitely have put in a lot more effort when it comes to decorating for Valentine's Day. And I actually really enjoy it. And I think that, I still have small children at home. My youngest is 10. And I think that they enjoy, having the holidays and celebrating those. So I'm really, really excited. I'm gonna share, I did do a haul of some new things that I got this year from Home Goods and TJ Maxx, I think. I have picked up a few new items, but I'll kind of walk you through what it is that I'm using as I'm decorating. If you are new to my channel, I decorate for the seasons by taking out all of my seasonal decor. I kind of lay it out on my dining room table so I can see what I have, and then I work my way through my house. I don't decorate the same way every year, but I definitely have like things that I use in certain areas, you know what I mean? Whether that's the coffee bar or here in the kitchen. But I love to decorate for the seasons and for the holidays. So I'm really excited. So glad you're here. Let's get to decorating. Okay, my friends, we're going to go ahead and get started by unpacking all of the new goodies as well as all of my old goodies. We're going to get them spread out here on the dining room table and we will get started. I will tell you, I did end up breaking this video into two because we did do some decent decorating today and I had to leave for a doctor's appointment. So I had to stop and I ended up filming the next day. So this does get broken down into two videos. But, double the pleasure, I guess, right? More videos, more fun. I also just wanted to mention how cute are my pants. I'm pretty sure that I owned a pair of pants exactly like this when I was in, I don't know, second grade. But these are from Target and I think they're absolutely adorable. They are sailor pants. I did buy them in pink as well. My sweater is from Walmart and I will link both for you down in the description box. They should also pop up on the screen for you. And I think they're so cute and perfect for this romantic season. Okay, so I took most of everything out. I do have a couple of things left in here, but wowza. I didn't realize that I had so much. Now I do have a lot of places to decorate between the living room, the kitchen, the dining room, and the entryway. So I've got plenty of things to decorate, but I just did not realize that I had so much Valentine's Day decor. So love, love, love it. This swan was something I got last year. It's absolutely beautiful. And I do have a large Valentine's Day sign that I got last year from the Weathered White Barn that I need to go down to the basement and find because that has to go up in the living room. So I'll go find it. We're going to start by putting this adorable box of blooms here on the peg rail shelf. This is from the Weathered White Barn. I always do that. I also have these faux ranunculus. These are from Target. These are from the Hearth and Hand line. I did recently show these in my Target haul, and I think they're so pretty. I did find some other new faux florals as well that I'm going to share with you. I shared them on my Instagram. Make sure you're following me there at Charlotte Grove Farmhouse. They are so pretty, and they're probably my favorite faux flowers I've ever bought. You're going to see those coming up here soon, but these are also very pretty. We're also going to go ahead and add some touches of red up to the shelf here, and the goal is just to kind of spread the color around so that it's a little bit everywhere, and I think it looks really, really pretty. I snagged this blanket from HomeGoods this year, and I love it. It is pink and white gingham. It's hard to see in this shot, but it is pink and white gingham, and it has these adorable fluffy white hearts all over it, and it has pink tassels. You cannot beat it. It is so cute. I purchased these hearts, these puffy hearts last year from Birch Lane. I follow her on Instagram. Definitely check her out. She always has great items, and I think they're really cute. They look kind of rustic and handmade, and they're perfect here in my living room on our new entertainment center. I just love that we have this extra space now to decorate. It's so perfect. Like adding this adorable bunting. This is from Target last year. I got this little banner. It's so cute. I love the hearts, and I love the floral design. Now these are those faux florals I was telling you about a little while ago. These are faux peonies that I picked up from Michael's. Are these not stunning? They're huge. They come in a bouquet with 5 flowers on each bouquet, and they are gorgeous. I think it's 5 flowers. Maybe it's 6.
I think it's 5. I can't count that fast, but I think it's 5. I have 5 bouquets of them here in this bucket because I just wanted it really full, but it looks so pretty. And these are on sale right now. They are like, I don't know, $10, $11. They're so pretty. And I ended up going back and buying more so that I could put them in other places in my house because I love them that much. I also picked up this pink coffee table book this year at HomeGoods. I just thought it would be great to bring in the color, and it looks really pretty. And we're also going to bring in some color down to the bottom of the sofa table, starting with this cake stand. This is from Target last year. I love it. I think it's so pretty. I love pink and red together for Valentine's Day. So romantic and very, very girly, which I love. And I'm just going to kind of leave everything the same and just add in a couple of pieces because I really like the way everything looks right now. And I want it to be easy when Valentine's Day is over. So I'm going to bring in this adorable gingham pillow here in a second. It's a heart pillow from TJ Maxx that I got this year. It says "Be Mine." It is so cute. I love gingham. I love pink and white gingham. Add in a pretty yarn font, and this just looks so sweet. On the other side, I'm going to add in a really pretty cake pedestal that I got at HomeGoods this year. I grabbed it because it was square and it's not like anything else that I have. And I find cake pedestals so fun to decorate with. And I also found these adorable faux little mini cakes. These are ceramic and they're so cute. I think they're my favorite thing I found this year. And we're going to put this little one that says "Be Mine" in this little pedestal. It looks so cute. I wanted this one here because it is low and you can see the font on the top and it's so cute. This pillow is also from HomeGoods this year. So sweet. And again, we're going to bring in more of those peonies here to my entryway. That vase right there is from Anthropologie. That is a mica pot. It's so pretty and it goes with any season. You can put literally anything in it. It looks so good. These peonies though might have to live here forever because I love them so much. I also grabbed this adorable little decor piece from TJ Maxx this year. It is from Martha Stewart and it's like a little flower bodega. It's so cute. And then we're going to finish it off with another one of those little faux cakes. Finally, to just finish off this area, we're going to hang this sweet little wool heart banner. I believe I got this on Amazon, and if I can link it, I will. I got this did I get it last year or the year before? I don't remember, but if I can link it for you, I will, because it's really sweet and it's so easy just to kind of hang here. It's light and it doesn't weigh anything down. So love how that turned out. Let's go ahead and take a look how everything looks now that it's all together. going to do it for part 1 of my Valentine's Day Decorate With Me for 2026. I hope you enjoyed coming along with me. I love how everything turned out. I think it turned out so pretty, and I hope you do too. If you enjoyed this video, I'd love for you to consider giving it a big thumbs up and subscribing. I post 4 new videos every single week, and I would love to see you in the next one. And until then, my friends, hope you're having a fabulous day, and I'll see you very soon. Take care.